you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have December's silver swag box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So again, the December silver swag box for 2022 just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, I absolutely love seeing the theme, all of the products that they put that's based around that theme. And since this month is December, I'm so excited to see what is going to be in here. I love seeing like if they do things with like different seasons or holidays. So I'm so excited to see what we're going to have in the December box. Let's go ahead and get this opened. Enough waiting. We're going to find out right now. Okay, I think I got it. Yes. So silver swag box. It's red inside and it says Happy Holidays with like a little red cardinal. Very, very festive. So I'm already excited. So let's go ahead and remove this. Let's cut that tape, get it opened. Here is the top, and this one you get two cards. One of them is going to be what's inside of the box, and one of them is going to be your conversation starter talking points to help you if you want to talk to somebody for the month. It says seasons and tweeting. Maybe that's why there's the birds. Seasons, tweetings. We hope you enjoy a happy holiday season. Remember to take a break from your to-do list after checking it twice and ask a friend or a loved one these questions. So again, you can ask anybody the questions that are on here, and what is on here for this month. It says, what are the first holiday seasons you can remember? What is the best present you have ever received? What is the worst present you have ever received? How did your family celebrate the holidays when you were a child? How did the holidays change as you got older? What is your favorite holiday memory with your loved ones? Have you ever celebrated the holidays on your own? What are your favorite holiday traditions? Family tradition. I don't know. Don't ask. Send love, stay connected, get talking. So again, that is the talking points for this month. And then this one will give you a little bit more information about the things that are in the box. So let's see if I can get you a little, not really. You don't really get a sneak peek to inside of the box. So let's go ahead and dive in and see everything in here. Ooh, roasted red pepper. It's a natural spice mix. It definitely looks really, really good. Let me tell you, I love flavor. I love seasonings. And it looks really nice and fresh. All that nice greenery in there. So this one here says, roasted red pepper cheese ball mix. You'll be ready. Y-U-L-E. You'll be ready for holiday guests anytime with this cheese ball mix. Just add a few simple ingredients. So yeah, you can literally make a roasted red pepper cheese ball. It makes one ball. One ball. There's that. I can't wait to try that out. I love me some cheese and I love me some seasoning. So I am definitely excited to try that out. It's from Salt Sisters. There's a period in between it, but it says Salt Sisters. Okay, so now we have, and going with the theme because it's a bird. The tweeting. Yes. This here, is there a name on it? Okay, so Sunset Vista Designs, and it says Cardinal Ornament, a cheerful addition to your holiday decor all winter long. I would think you would hang it somewhere and not really be an ornament. I'm not quite sure. Ornaments to me go on the tree, you know? I don't want to just stick this whole thing on my tree, but I guess it would look cute like that. If you just stick the whole thing on your tree, or you can hang it on your wall, your door. You can really put this anywhere to decorate for the season, and that is super cute. I like that. I might even hang that outside. You can do anything you want with that, but that is super cute. And I like that, you know, the bird with the seasons tweeting. That is too cute. This here says Fantasieds. Bird seed ornaments by Fantasieds. Hang outside for seasons tweetings. So this is literally for like wild birds. I'm a little confused with this one because it doesn't say anything on here for this. So I'm assuming it just says hang outside Four Seasons tweeting. Okay, so it does have a little thing that goes around it. And then these that are hanging out of here are attached to these. So then you can hang them like on a tree, or if you have like a bird feeder, you can hang it there, I guess, for the birds to peck at. Bring the birds to your yard. That's cute. You'll be bringing the birds to your yard. So again, I don't see it listed on here, so it looks like it'll just be like an added gift for the birds outside to bring the birds to your yard. Oh my gosh, these are so good, and they're Christmas themed. They're red, white, and green. These are the candy coated sunflower seeds, and I absolutely love these. It says Sunflower Food Company, Sunny Seeds, backed by popular demand, our favorite chocolate covered sunflower seeds in holiday colors. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. They don't last long in my house, let me tell you. They are so good. Oh, it looks like we have some little candy. Oh my gosh, and that matches. It's the red bird. It has birds on it. So it's not just normal mints. There's actually red birds on it. They totally did find everything to go with the same theme. Even, I'm just going to throw this out here, even this package has a bird on it. I just saw that as I was talking. There's a bird on the label. Like, what? This is Mexican chocolate cha-chas? What's a cha-cha? Am I going to be dancing eating these? Rich chocolate cookies with hints of cinnamon and cayenne. Ooh, that actually sounds absolutely phenomenal. It says differently delicious. Lark cookies for grown-ups and savory biscuits are made with the finest natural ingredients and featured innovative flavor combination that especially appeals to mature palates. They are wholesome ingredients that will make your taste buds dance. Is that why you're going to be doing the cha-cha? While you're eating them? Maybe. And there is the package right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different cookies. So you have that. Okay, so let's keep on going. Now we have is dipping pretzels. Ooh, you can make that with your cheese ball. The cheese ball, when you make it with this, you can probably eat them with these. Maybe that's why they put them in here. Let's see, these are dipping pretzels, East Shore Specialty Foods. Okay, so I'm not seeing this brand. I'm seeing something that says BETTR. Whole grain seeds crackers, perfect with the roasted red pepper cheese ball and any other holiday party dips. So I guess this would be intended, like I was saying, to go with the cheese ball, but what is on my card sounds like it's some kind of a cracker where I have pretzels, which is completely fine. I like both of them, and I think this would go with the cheese ball as well. Plus I do have some crackers in the cupboard that I could use if I wanted to, but this is what I received, is these pretzels. So there's that guy. Now we have, it says Velvet Luxe Vegan Hand Cream Peppermint Swirl. Ooh, I love peppermint. Like once we get into winter, peppermint is all, I don't want to see no more pumpkin spice. I'm all about peppermint mocha. I love peppermint. This says, keep your skin in mint condition with this luxurious vegan hand and body cream. Peppermint, keep them in mint condition. So cute. Now the last thing we have in here is this book. It says the New York Times and a crossword in a pear tree. How cute. 100 easy to hard crossword puzzles. So yeah, you'll have easy to hard all in here. Oh, there we go. That's something good to have like by my side table whenever I'm bored and want to sit here and just do some puzzles. I can just put, you know, grab this. Oh, and then it does have cheat sheet. In case you have any questions, there's a cheat sheet at the back. This one does say for US, it's $13.99 value. And this one just says, enjoy some downtime with 200. It says 100. The card says, enjoy some downtime with 200 holiday-themed crossword puzzles. But my book says 100 easy to hard. Okay, so this one I don't think is this is the error. I think this is the error. So on this book, it says 100 easy to hard crossword puzzles right there on the front. 100. Back here, It says 200, what does it say? 200 easy to hard New York Times crosswords. So one of them is wrong. Either the front cover or the back cover is wrong. But it's on the book printed. 100 here. And then again, it says 200 there. So how many pages are in here? Okay, so if you go to the cheat sheet, it is numbered 1 through 200. So there is 200 in here. Just don't pay attention to this right here. There's 200 in this book. But again, that is really neat because this is a great thing just to sit right next to the couch on my little table when we're in there watching TV. If he's watching something that doesn't interest me, that I'm not interested in, I can bust out my book and just keep myself entertained. I like that. And then I like the little and a crossword in a pear tree. It's very cute and definitely festive for this month. It's super, super cute. So a quick recap, we have a crossword puzzle with 200 puzzles inside. You have pretzels, or you could have probably got the crackers, whichever one. The amazing chocolate covered sunflower seeds that are so good. You have 2 little candy treats. You have a bird treat for the birds outside. Bring the birds to your yard. You'll have a hand lotion, perfect scent for this month. You can make a cheese ball, which again, these little herbs and spices look so fresh and amazing. You could be cha-chawing as you're eating 6 cookies. And then you have this really cute festive thing to hang up to display for the month. All right, you guys, so that is everything for this December box. Oh my gosh, I have some amazing goodies. You have some good little things to keep you busy for the crossword puzzle, keep your hands moisturized for this winter season. My hands always get dried out in the cooler months, so that's awesome. So let me know down below, what did you think of this December box? What did you think of the items that they put inside? What do you think of the theme this month? Let me know. If you would like more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you $15 off your very first box if you are interested. Again, they will be linked down below to take you to their site. Send love and stay connected. Their mission is to help busy families send love and stay connected to loved ones with a curated selection of fun and practical items delivered each month. Gifts so fun, you'll want one for yourself. What's inside? Each monthly box is carefully curated with fun activities and items that are tied to a unique theme and designed to delight, encourage conversation, and show how much you care. Each boxes include daily use personal care items, conversation cards, and more. When you choose your plan, you will be able to customize your dietary preferences on your order confirmation page. So for the pricing, if you want to do month per month, box per box, it is $49.99. If you want to go to 6 months, that'll bring your box price down to $47.49. If you want to save even more money, you can go to a 12-month plan. That will bring your monthly box price down to $44.99. So again, everything will be linked down below. You can definitely go check them out. If it is for a gift, they will put a personalized gift card right on top. So as soon as they open it, they'll see that and know who it is from as well. So that is amazing. So that is now everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.